This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments here for December 18th, 2020. Corn market up 5 cents, beans up 18 3/4, Chicago wheat down a half, Minneapolis up 1 1/2, Kansas City down 3/4 cent. On the wheat, corn up 13 1/4, beans up 59 1/2, Chicago wheat steady, Minneapolis up 13 1/4, Kansas City down 9 3/4. So again, another nice carry through week for beans and corn. Beans accelerating, breaking out to the top side here again over $12. And really, $12.40 to $12.76 seems like the next two areas of interest we'll kind of watch. These are rare fourth price counts, but there just doesn't seem to be much in the way of resistance here at this point. We'll be watching weather into next week, as well as China demand and demand in general, but the charts are pointing higher, and we'll see just how much we can put together here. Corn and wheat, more of the follower type markets, maybe some limitations here as we get up against $6 in wheat and $4.40 in corn, but we'll see how that unfolds next week. Feeder cattle down 52 1/2, lives up 112 1/2, hog market up 30 on Friday. On the week, we saw feeder cattle up 72 1/2, live cattle up 172 1/2, hogs up 112 1/2. So kind of another week of back and forth, feeder cattle, live cattle, really focusing on those cash markets, 107, 108. 165 dress, so really not that pizzazz or push to get us to really get back to the highs or a potential to break out, but April back still very much near the highs, so we'll need to watch that. Exports were okay, but nothing too great, and just a market that's consolidating, it feels like right now, looking for that next bit of direction. Hog market, on the other hand, 63.72, down $2 on the index. Exports very good this week, but need a second week to really kind of put it together and try to get things going again. So for the time being, stuck in a little bit of rut here for the feeder cattle, live cattle, and hogs. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.